We're asked to calculate the quantity of some amount of gas at STP. We're going to use our very useful factoid. That the standard molar volume of any gas at STP is the same. You may notice that I wrote this number down with 5 sig figs. I suggest at minimum that you remember this number to 3 sig figs. It will simply save you time working through problems on an exam. We can solve this problem very quickly. We have 0.420 moles of gas at STP. And we're going to multiply by the standard molar volume of any gas at STP, because we have the mole of a gas at STP. STP is going to be 22.414 liters. So if we do that calculation, here's our calculator answer. And if we report our answer with 3 sig figs, as we're justified over here, we have our answer of 9.41 liters.